So here I am in Sandusky, Ohio. I'm thinking that Lake Erie is right out that way. I can hear a lot of noise. I'm walking this trail down this way, hearing a lot of noise. I'm thinking that might be either wind or water. It's cold out here, I know that. That's one thing for sure. I don't know. I'm kind of scared. Hopefully it's not a tsunami or something. But I'm going that way. Let's do it. I found water. I tell you, it's kind of scary walking out here. You're wondering if that water is coming over this or not. Let's walk out here and check it out. I don't know if you can hear me or not, but I'm walking on a frozen beach. Hey, look at this tree. It's extremely cold out. But this is Lake Erie. Well, that was Lake Erie. Tell you what, the wind whipping off that lake is extremely cold. Hands are really cold right now. It also looks like a snowstorm's coming in. It was actually a little sunny when I started walking down through here, down this path. I really can't remember the name of the place I'm at. Sheldon Marsh National Reserve, Natural Reserve, something like that. Nature Preserve. Yeah. Definitely a cool, pretty cool little spot. I can see where in the summertime, you know, it'd be really cool out there on the beach or on the lake. All right, let's continue on.